Hi guys, welcome back to OT Closet. Let's play a game of emotions. The rules of the game are to copy emotions for 20 seconds, then freeze for 15 seconds when you see a speaker, and then guess the emotion. Happy, sad, angry. Copy emotions that the hand is pointing to. 3, 2, 1, begin. The girl is happy. Silly, mad, sick. Copy emotions that you see. 3, 2, 1. She's excited. Happy, surprised, angry. Copy emotions. 3, 2, 1, go. She is sad, cheerful, shocked, loved. Copy emotions. 3, 2, 1. She is angry. Thanks for playing with me today. I will see you next time. Bye.